How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. Today, let's go over the myth that some people think if you go over just $1 over your tax bracket, you're going to end up paying a lot more in taxes. Well, that's completely false, but let me show you the details. As an example, here's your 2017 tax bracket for a single filer for reasonable income ranges. If you earn from $0 to $9,325, you're going to be in the 10% tax bracket. And then from $9,325 to $37,950, you're going to be in the 15% tax bracket. Now this chart might be up for misinterpretation because you might look at this and go, hey, if I'm in this range, I'm going to be paying 15% in tax. But if I make just $1 more and come into this range, I'm going to be paying 25%. Well, 25%, it's not for your full salary. The first $9,325 you make get taxed at 10%. And when you make money in this range, it's going to be taxed at 15%. Only the amount in this range is taxed at 15%. So your initial 9,000 some dollars is 10%, and then this amount goes to 15%. If you earn just $1 more, that $1 will be taxed at 25%, not your entire salary from $37,950. So this is an incremental tax bracket. It's not that if you earn just $1 more, you're gonna fall off the cliff and suddenly become in this tax bracket and have to pay a lot more in taxes. Let me make this crystal clear with an example. Let's say you're in the 15% tax bracket and you make right under $37,950, and then you just go, okay, you just multiply it simply by 15% and just think, oh, you're paying about $5,692.65 in taxes. The wrong way to think about this is if you make $1 more, then you think all of a sudden you're in the 25% tax bracket. You just multiply whatever you have that you earn. Let's say you earn $1 more, $100 more, $1,000 more, then you just multiply your total income by 25%, and then you get $9,487.75. This is a huge jump from what you think you're paying for taxes to what you're going to pay in the 25% tax bracket. And so this makes some people think that if you earn just $1 more, you're going to have to pay a lot more in taxes. In this case, $3,000 some dollars more in taxes. This is also the thing that keeps some people from taking some overtime pay over the holidays because they want to go, oh, you know, it's December, I'm gonna make just under this amount just so I don't have to pay more in taxes. And I've also heard of some people purposely not taking bonuses just so that they can get under this because they think that, hey, if I take a $1,000 bonus and you're right at this edge, you're gonna have to pay $4,000 more. You know, this is not true, because if you take $1,000 more, you're going to pay about the next tax bracket, which is 25%, which is $250 more, not $4,000. The correct way to calculate your taxes is the first $9,300 some dollars that you earn is taxed at 10%. Now, after you earn over this, okay, the amount between $9,000 some dollars and $37,000 some dollars is $28,000, okay? So let's say you earn $1 past this. So this amount gets taxed at 15%. You still have some amount that's taxed at 10%. Everybody that earns over this amount gets $9,000 some dollars taxed at 10%. So you pay $932 for this first $9,325 that you earn. After you earn over this at $28,625, you pay 15% for this amount, not this and this. So for 15% of $28,000 some dollars is $4,293.75. And here comes the tricky part. If you earn $1 over the $37,950, you're going to pay 25% on just that $1. So it's going to be only 25%. So just the fact that you went over the tax bracket just by a penny even does not mean you're going to pay 25% on the full income. If I add up all the tax liabilities from all the tax brackets, you're going to get $5,226.50. And your total income would be $37,951. And you can see that if you earn just $1 less, it's only going to be 25 cents less than this. So there's no such thing as you earn just a little bit more over your tax bracket, you're going to pay a lot more. So I hope that helps a lot of you. Don't forget to give me a like over here. Comment down below. Let me know if you know anyone that tried to stay under a tax bracket just to avoid taxes. I do have a Patreon link over here if you're interested in supporting my channel. And don't forget to subscribe over here. Thanks for watching.